Hey you guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 14. We're like so close. We're more than halfway there. That is crazy. If you don't know, Vlogmas is like you vlog every single day until Christmas Day, and I did it last year. I wanted to do it the year before too, but I just really couldn't. But I did it last year and it was so good for me. If I'm being honest today, I mean, I've always been honest, but yesterday, for the past couple of days, I haven't been really vlogging my entire day because I haven't been feeling it. I haven't been really feeling like recording every single part of the day, every little thing, or making it look like recordable, you can say. And I just kind of like gone through my work day. I think I've just been, somebody commented, and let me look to see who actually commented that in the comments. Denise Pino, she asked if I was like mentally tired or physically tired, because I talked about it a little bit in yesterday's vlog, and honestly I think like definitely I'm mentally tired. Like I'm not like doing a lot physically. Like I literally just sit on my desk and I just like listen to this and like information and take it all in and practice it or whatever. And yeah, I'm definitely mentally tired and a little drained, honestly. I feel like I'm constantly go go go, and I don't feel like doing anything else when I get off. Like I brought out the gifts and I need to package them up and like wrap them up and everything, and I just don't want to. And maybe it'll be like a project for this weekend, or maybe even on Friday. I don't have anything else to do on Friday, honestly. But I don't know, it's just been one of those things where I just don't feel in the right like headspace. And that's what today's vlog's gonna be about, or today's video. Because I didn't really vlog. I just wanted to talk to you all about like mental health and just things that I experienced. Like if anybody can relate, like great, but even if one person can get some sort of like comfort knowing that they're not alone, then you know I'm here for that. But these past, usually I like to do Vlogmas. I feel like I'm all over the place, but I like to do Vlogmas because it gets me up. It gets me going on in this season that is particularly hard for me. I do struggle with mental illness. I have bipolar disorder and ADHD, and you know, suffer mainly with like the depression part of the bipolar disorder. It's just what I struggle with the most, or at least like what gets the most out of me. So that is so weird. I just noticed, so I have a Santa next to my TV like console stuff, and it's like moved further away, and that is so weird because I know I had it right next to. Anyways, I'll put it back in a little bit. Maybe it was my dog that accidentally pulled it or something, or my husband. I don't know. I'm gonna stop thinking about that. But this season is particularly hard for me, and Vlogmas just gets me to like get up, do something, to actually like shower. I didn't shower. Like if I was like sorry, I'm getting a phone call. Normally, and like when I struggle with depression, the tasks that are like so mundane and like just seem like automatic at times are the hardest to even accomplish. Like taking a shower, getting up and like brushing your teeth, brushing your hair, you know, doing like the tasks that are so simple to do, like self-care stuff. It's just so hard to do sometimes. And when I'm doing Vlogmas, it's like I'm not gonna come on here looking a complete mess. You know, maybe every once in a while, like I don't really give a crap, but at least like I'll like, you know what, I have to take a shower because I need to show up for Vlogmas, and I need to record a little bit or talk to my subscribers and you guys. And I mean, honestly, that's what got me to even get up today. Other than obviously like my job, although that's sometimes to do some like too, but I still do it because you have to, you know, it pays the bills. But like today, if it wasn't for Vlogmas and if it wasn't for this commitment that I made to myself and nobody else, I got up and I was like, you know what, instead of like going upstairs and just like laying down and being depressed or sad or mopey, I'm gonna get in the shower, I'm gonna brush my hair, do whatever I can, and come downstairs and change my scenery up. Like, turn on the Christmas tree or whatever. Maybe I won't do the gifts. Maybe I won't like do every single chore that I had on my list to do, but at least I got up, at least I took a shower, at least like I came downstairs and fed myself, because that can also be a struggle sometimes, you know. And it's just, it gets hard, and if you've been through that, I'm sorry, but you're not alone, and I'm here for you if you ever need anybody to talk to. But it's just, it definitely gets hard, and especially when thoughts get dark. I feel like these past couple of days I've been struggling with like sleeping, and that happens when like I get down and sad. And I'm not gonna lie, and I'll probably put like a trigger warning just in case, but this morning when I saw the news of the, I'm not gonna go into specifics, but somebody that's like in the celebrity world died due to suicide, and it did really bring me down a little bit when I saw it, because it's like thinking like somebody lost the battle against like depression or dark thoughts, and it's really hard, because I just wish there was like a way to help everyone, and sure, they're like out of my reach. I guess I just like have such a passion for like helping others, and like although I struggle with this myself, like knowing that somebody else goes through this, like I'd rather deal with it myself than see somebody else go through it, you know. It's just, I don't know, it's hard, you know. And it sucks that somebody felt so alone and saddened to the point that it took them to that, you know. It's just really hard to hear and to see, but you know, just pray for their family and his children, and hope that they can see the light. And you know, it's just really hard to see it happen, to hear about it, but you just gotta keep on pushing through, keep on going. I don't know, and not to like throw like a pity party for myself or anything, or I don't know, but it's like, it makes me think of, if this person did that, who, like, I don't know what their situation is, I don't know what their financial or family situation is, but like they seem to have like an okay life. Like, you know, I guess like an imbalance is an imbalance, like what else is there, you know? But it just really sucks. But anyways, this is why like I love coming on YouTube. Like, I don't really do this on Instagram or anywhere else, because I feel like YouTube is like my little safe space. I feel like anybody who like watches my videos watches because like they like care about what I say, or just want to come hang out, listen to someone talk about like whatever that comes to mind. And it just feels safe to me, because if somebody's gonna sit through and listen to like a 10-20 minute video of listening to me just blah about anything, like clearly like y'all care, you know. And this is why I love YouTube. It's my little outlet. It's like the place where I can be vulnerable, transparent, talk to you all, and share like every single little craft that I make because I have all of those. Yeah, and I'm sure a lot of y'all follow me or are subscribed to my channel because of my planner content. And one of the reasons why I love being a planner and planning my life is because like it gives me motivation, or it makes me see that there's a tomorrow, if that makes any sense. And I know there's a saying, I think Heather Kell says this a lot, that plan for a life that you love, or plan a life you love, something along those lines. And I totally agree with that, but for me it's more of a just plan for like what's to come, like prepare yourself in a way, because for me it's like, for example, on Sunday we have to go to a church bingo, and for me, like social gatherings, even if it's like a really small social gathering, it takes a lot out of me, like mentally, emotionally, like it just takes a lot of my battery from me. But if I prepare myself and plan well, I can get through those things. So usually in my planner, and like I don't always share this part of my planner, but I'll literally write down like, what do I have to do? What can I do if I feel anxious? What are some ways that I can like get myself out of a situation if I'm starting to feel a certain way? So for example, this church bingo that I have, if I start feeling anxious, usually anxiety comes to me in like smell, nausea, whatever, however you pronounce it, or I get really hot. And I already know a little bit of like what, like how I'm feeling. Like if I feel a certain way, it's like, oh, I need to get myself out of the situation. So I'll have written down like, okay, how about you get up and excuse yourself and go to the restroom, or get up and go grab a snack. They usually have like a snack bar, or have a drink of water. Something so simple like that can truly help. Or it can be like, text a friend. Usually I'm there with my husband, so I can easily text him or tell him like, oh, I feel a little anxious, and keep it like private at the same time without everybody knowing, but at least somebody knows, to where if I were to actually need to get out, he knows what's going on and knows to like check in on me or whatever. And that's just kind of what I do. And that's why I love being a planner, because like my planner prepares me for, you know, the situations that could come up. I also like to journal, and I keep that private. Just, it's not really like creative or anything, and also it can get really personal, and I don't really want to share some of the things that could be triggering to someone or whatever. But it also helps me understand myself better, whether it be in my journal or in my planner, and actually put my thoughts into like words. I have a really hard communicating sometimes with people, because I feel like, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know if it's like a language situation. So English is my second language, and at times I have a hard time finding the right words, or I feel intimidated in like social gatherings, so that sometimes also plays a part into my anxiety. So like with my planners and my journals, like if I'm feeling a certain way and I journal about it, I let it out, and it doesn't really put so much weight on my heart. But I don't know, it's just, I love the community that we've built together, and I love coming on here and talking to you all and being transparent and showing my little planner and just talking about life in general. But anyways, that's just, I really don't have much else to say. I'm not really gonna do much of anything, if I'm being honest. Like, it's just one of those days. Matthew went to a basketball game with his sister, so, which is awesome for him, and he invited me to go to, but I didn't really want to put myself in a situation where I didn't want to be in, so I skipped on it. But I think I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV, probably YouTube videos. I also love Vlogmas. I am like, as much as I like making videos, I love watching them. Like, I love YouTube and I love Vlogmas, because all of the people that I follow that I like that I love on YouTube vlog, and I love it. It just gives me something every single day. But anyways, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I thought about ordering in some food, just to, like, I don't know, it sometimes makes me feel good, especially like So I also reward myself when I get through, like, say a work day when I was struggling. I'll reward myself with, like, you know what, order yourself something to eat or make yourself something yummy or whatever. So ordering food wouldn't really be like the worst thing in the world. But if not, I also have some like lean cuisine frozen pizza that I could like make for myself. But I don't know, I'm leaning towards ordering some soup or something. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I know this was like not a vlog, but I still hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow, and tomorrow is gonna be a better day. Bye, you guys.